Hi, welcome to Mastering ChatGPT for UX Designers. I'm excited to help you harness the power of AI in your UX design process. In this course, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to generate design ideas, create affinity mapping and empathy mapping from research data, create user personas, and optimize user journeys. Whether you're brainstorming or refining your designs, ChatGPT is here to elevate your workflow. We have developed around 25 AI-based tools, and this course includes comprehensive coverage of various AI technologies for logo creation, font pairing, and color combination. You'll receive detailed training on crafting prompts for image generation and learn how to use a range of image generation tools, including Midjourney, Ideogram, Leonardo, and Adobe Firefly. Additionally, the course features website building tools like Relume.io and Visily.ai, as well as photo editing software. With this course, you're getting a complete bundle of AI tools to enhance your creative process.